Today I'm going to talk in this video about top 5 best propane torch that you should buy. Let's get started. To start off with is the Bernzomatic BZ8250HT. Bernzomatic is among the leading names when it comes to a quality propane torch. You can complete your soldering, welding or brazing tasks with ease thanks to its angled, well-elongated nozzle. This uniquely designed nozzle has a welder-friendly shape that allows you to regulate flame's size while keeping it away. The Bernzomatic BZ8250HT trigger start hose torch comes with a hose of an impressive length that gives you the ability to move around and work without struggles. Next up is the HotMax 500G Big Max. Not many torches compare to the HotMax 500G Big Max propane torch, a multi-use warehouse torch that is ideal for preheating metals before welding. While this bad boy isn't perfectly suited for brazing, soldering and welding, it can come in handy in preheating material like cast iron or steel. It is well known for its large flame that allows you to perform other functions like paint removal, removing parking lot or road markings, snow melting and even burning weeds. The HotMax is also known for its ergonomic trademark handle that is molded. Third on the list is the Bernzomatic TS8000. The Bernzomatic TS8000 high-intensity torch is among the best rated in the market. As is usually the case with all Bernzomatic products, technology plays a significant part in the development of this propane torch. Its auto-stop and start buttons ignite and extinguish the produced flame with ease. You also won't need to plan for another torch in years, as the Bernzomatic TS8000 high-intensity torch is constructed from cast aluminium. This superior welding torch is pressure regulated to help it maintain top performance when either inverted or tilted. Fourth in line is the Worthington WT2301. The Worthington WT2301 trigger start propane torch is well known for its pocket-friendly pricing and ease of use. Despite not having some of the features more expensive torches have, this trigger start torch can serve you pretty well in your home or warehouse tasks. You no longer have to start your torch manually with the option of Worthington WT2301 trigger start. The gas valve turns on when you pull the trigger. Last up is the JJGeorge grill torch. The JJGeorge grill torch charcoal starter boasts of a unique design and powerful functioning mechanism. This torch is primarily designed to light charcoal, but can also be used in the workshop. What makes this torch stand out is its hoseless functionality, meaning it is directly connected to a propane canister or bottle. This unique propane torch is easy to light thanks to its built-in ignition features. It also allows for an impressive level of flame adjustment, making it possible for you to select your desired flame size depending on the nature of the project. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this product, check the video description.